Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the EMPI Quick Shift Kit. This Quick Shift Kit made by EMPI reduces the travel between gears by up to 40%. This metal kit simply bolts under the stock shifter. It's a straightforward job for any home mechanic. Put the vehicle into neutral before undoing the 2 bolts. Once you've fitted the new plate, simply do the bolts up finger tight, then check that you can select all the gears. Then tighten the bolts up to the correct torque setting. I would also suggest changing the gear shift coupling set at the same time. For more information on this EMPI Quick Shift Kit, please see our website. This EMPI Quick Shift Kit will fit various models including the Beetle and bay window.